Welcome to this Python tutorial. Today, we are going to explore the Pandas library, specifically focusing on its two core data structures, series and data frames. By the end of this video, you will understand how to structure and analyze data efficiently using Python. So, what exactly is Pandas? It is an open-source library built for Python that provides high-performance tools for data manipulation and analysis. It is widely considered the standard tool for working with structured data, allowing you to clean, explore, and process data similar to how you would in a spreadsheet. To get started, you first need to install the library using the command pip install pandas. Once installed, you can import it into your Python script. It is a universal convention in the data science community to import pandas with the alias PD. This saves typing time later on. Let's look at the first building block, the series. A series is essentially a one-dimensional array, similar to a list but with an index. You can think of it as a single column of data. Each value is associated with a specific label or index, which makes accessing data intuitive. Creating a series is straightforward. You can pass a standard Python list into the Pandas series constructor. In this example, we take a list of numbers and convert it. The output shows our data on the right and the automatically generated index numbers on the left. Next, we have the data frame. This is the most important object in Pandas. A data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure, like a SQL table or an Excel spreadsheet. It is essentially a collection of series objects that share a common index. You can create a data frame from a Python dictionary. Here, the keys become the column names, and the values are lists of data. When we pass this dictionary to the data frame constructor, Pandas organizes it into a neat table with rows and columns. To verify the difference, remember that a series represents a single dimension of data, like one column. A data frame represents two dimensions, consisting of rows and columns. If you pull a single column out of a data frame, you get a series. Once you have data, you need to inspect it. Use head to see the first few rows and tail to see the last few. The info method gives you data types and missing values, while describe provides a statistical summary. The shape attribute tells you exactly how many rows and columns you have. Selecting data is a common task. You can select a single column using square brackets with the column name. For multiple columns, pass a list of names. If you need to select specific rows, you use the lock and iLock indexers to find data by label or integer position. To wrap up, Pandas is your go-to tool for structured data. We covered the series, which is a 1D array, and the data frame, which is a 2D table. Remember to always import Pandas as PD. You are now ready to start analyzing data in Python.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.